Welcome people! I mean seriously, have you seen this thing? The Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello is like a work of art on two wheels. It's a purebred Italian masterpiece crafted with the kind of care and attention to detail that you just don't see in modern bikes. But what really sets the V100 apart is the way it rides. It's smooth, it's powerful, and it's just so damn cool. You can feel the history and the heritage of the Moto Guzzi brand in every twist of the throttle. It's like riding a piece of Italian engineering history. Some motorcycles can be a bit of handful when it comes to carrying a passenger, but not the Moto Guzzi. We hopped on this bike and immediately found perfect position behind the bar. Passenger can ride in style and comfort while you show them what this Italian masterpiece can do. The engine's low-end torque makes it easy to accelerate smoothly with the passenger on board, and the suspension is well tuned to handle the extra weight. However, if you really want to experience the bike's full potential, you might want to save the solo rides for yourself. And let's not forget about the sound. Oh, that glorious Guzzi rumble. It's like a symphony of power and precision echoing through the hills of Tuscany. I wish it wasn't that windy day so you could hear the sound of Mandello. What I also liked was a small adjustable windscreen that can be raised or lowered to provide wind protection for the rider. Mandello has adjustable side wings, which can be raised or lowered to provide additional aerodynamic stability and performance by creating additional downforce on the front wheel at high speeds. Sure, there are faster bikes, and maybe even ones that handle better, but that's not the point. The V100 Mandello is about more than just speed and agility. It's about style. It's about heritage, and it's about the sheer joy of riding. So, what do you think about this new Guzzi? Do you like it? Thanks for watching, I wish you a nice ride and see you next time. Bye.